Okay, hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Now in this video I'd like to demonstrate the Youth Restoring Cleanser, or should I say the Luminesce Youth Restoring Cleanser, which is the first in the line of the skincare line. Here is the cleanser, and what you need to do, and maybe you've read the article which does explain how you use it, but the demonstration is always good. So first of all, just moisten your skin with a little water, mild water if you have it. That's it, that's all you need. And then squeeze a little bit in your fingers, not too much. Maybe you can see, not sure if you can see that, but and then work it in to your skin. You can apply it to your neck if you wish, and use circular movements. So while you're doing this circular movement, the cleanser is purifying and detoxifying your skin right deep down in the cells at microscopic levels, helping to restore your skin's brilliance and give it a nice glow. So you'll do this for about a minute, with circular movements. It's doing exfoliating. So it's a good deep cleanse. There, I think that's enough. And just leave it for 30 seconds more to do a bit more work, cleansing and purifying. And then after leaving it for 30 seconds, you can wipe it off. I use these sponge discs. You may use whatever you prefer, cotton discs or flannel, or your hands. Gently remove with mild water. It can remove your makeup, but like mascara you may need to use a little more something else if your mascara is strong or waterproof. And try not to get it in your eyes. Still a bit more left. And once you've got it all off, just need to pat it dry with a towel. And then you'll be ready for the cellular rejuvenation serum. And you should do this cleanse twice a day. In the morning, before the serum, and in the evening, before the Luminesce cellular rejuvenation serum. And then if it's daytime, you'll put the moisturising complex, and if it's nighttime, you'll put the advanced night repair. I think that's off. Right, wonderful. And that feels really good. It's detoxified, purified, and yeah. So if you'd like to get your Luminesce skincare line, please click on the link below or above, wherever I put it. I'm not sure where it is, depends where you're seeing this video. And then it'll take you to the shop, where you can go to the shop now button to get your products. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave some comments or if you want to ask any questions, then I'll be happy to answer. Okay then, thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye. See you in the next video.